What is engineering and what is material engineering? And what's bring to the main? How about complicated system of parts working efficiently to achieve the best possible performance as you found in engine? And what do you think about manipulating the energy to produce sustainable motion like a wind turbine? Then again, you might think about the structure challenges involving with high building. Regardless of what you think of, and all factors involving in all these engineering challenges is the material use. It covers many such as metals, ceramic, plastic and other substances that benefits many in real-world applications. Materials engineering form many technologies, renewable energy, nanoscience, including space flight. Materials being developed to be stronger, tougher, lighter, and reliable. The point is that the materials in our study is very diverse and the properties is very significant by industries and applications. So, in this unit, you will learn about the functional materials. What are the properties such as electrical, thermal, optical, or magnetic that are important? In some cases, multiple property might be critical, for example, transparent conducting oxide, where both electrical and optical properties need to be engineered. These are the types of materials that we're going to learn in this unit. I hope you get a better understanding about material science and engineering. Bye!